Mazda and Toyota team up for a new RX-7 and Supra. Mazda is cooking up a new RX-7, and this time, it's not doing it alone. According to a report from Japan's Best Car, the brand is working with Toyota to develop its next flagship sports car alongside the next-generation Supra. But here's the twist: forget the rotary. Instead, Mazda's new coupe is expected to pack a 3.3-liter turbocharged inline-six, the same one found in the CX-60, currently cranking out up to 340 brake horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, but surely capable of more. That's a serious step up from the last RX-8 and even the legendary twin-turbo RX-7. While official details are thin on the ground, the illustrations you see here offer a glimpse of what could be a loving tribute to the FD-RX-7's iconic design. They're speculative, with an estimated 25% accuracy due to the lack of hard intel, but they draw from the spirit of Mazda's sports car heritage. Under the skin, expect a classic front engine, rear drive setup, staying true to the RX bloodline. And why the sudden push for a new hero car? Mazda's ongoing partnership with Toyota is likely a key factor. The two brands have been quietly working together for years, sharing platforms, powertrains, and even factories. Meanwhile, Toyota's 5th-gen Supra is entering its final year, but the company has confirmed the nameplate isn't going anywhere. Given Toyota's past collaboration with BMW to resurrect the Supra, teaming up with Mazda for another sports car makes perfect sense. And let's not forget Mazda's long-running RX teasing, including the stunning 2015 RX Vision concept. With both brands looking to bring new sports cars to life, could we be heading into another golden age of Japanese performance? Fingers crossed. Stay tuned for more.